I'm vlogging.
I'm vlogging a little bit.
Hey everybody, Peter Hollins here. Pins and things.
Yeah.
Look at
oh, hey.
This guy's amazing. Have you seen his
Hi,
family?
guys.
They're the cutest.
Yeah, you're so precious.
So I was coming home to pick up Rebecca and the kids so that she could have the van. As I was leaving work, I tried calling her and she didn't answer her phone, which is normal. But
Not always. I'm pretty
I was
good.
like, whatever, she didn't answer her phone, no big deal. As I was driving down our street, I saw flashing lights in front of our house. And I was like, oh no, there's police at our house. Rebecca didn't answer her phone. What if it's an emergency? You know, what if something really bad happened? And I was getting really, really nervous.
That's so sweet of you.
But they were just doing some construction in front of our house, so they had the road blocked off, that's all. So I was nervous for a second there.
That makes me happy. Oh, you care about me and the kids.
Of course I do.
It's good to hear it. It's good to hear it. That's sweet. All right, it is 12:30. Pretty sure I have an hour and a half until I have to leave here and we're gonna head up to the interview. But I am home alone and I've got all 4 kids and me to get ready in an hour and a half, and I hope I can do it. Start plowing through. I'm feeding the kids right now so that they are all full and happy while I'm getting them ready, and hopefully until we are able to get there. And it's scary, but I gotta get working. And I gotta eat really quick too. We'll see how it goes. So I'll try and be on time. Whew, okay, all ready to go. I've got a screaming baby, but I can't do anything about it right now because I'm driving, and we are a little bit late, but we are headed there as quick as we can. I seriously was working every second, like boom, 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 boom. Okay, I got one kid ready. Let's move on to the next kid, and one thing at a time. And I'm so glad I had the clothes ready already, because I don't know what I would have done if I had to run around finding socks and shoes and everything that I normally had to go find. We're headed there. I'm really excited. I still have to do my makeup. I haven't even done my makeup yet. But at least Michael can drive so that I can. I brought Franklin!
Okay, we are here at the shoot. Corbin is eating some food because he was hungry. We're just getting ready to shoot here. It's exciting. We got contacted to do a shoot, so we're getting ready to do a video. And I think the most challenging part of all of this has been yesterday and Sunday. I wasn't feeling very good at all, and it's been getting progressively worse. And last night it was really bad. I had to take some NyQuil, and I don't normally take like medicine for anything. And I've been like eating cough drops all day, like because my throat's been really sore and my voice is a lot deeper than it normally is. I don't know if you can tell or not, just because I'm not feeling good. So I've been taking all sorts of medicine to try to feel better so that we can do this thing. And I'm just really grateful that I'm feeling well enough to be able to do this. Even though I'm feeling really bad and I just want to go sleep, I'm excited to be here, and I think the adrenaline's starting to like take over and make it all okay. Hopefully it goes well.
I'm vlogging.
I'm vlogging a little bit.
Hey everybody, Peter Hollins here. Pins and things.
Yeah.
Yes.
Look at oh, hey.
This guy's amazing. Have you seen his
Hi,
family?
guys.
They're the
He is
cutest.
phenomenal.
Second cutest on the internet. Probably.
You guys are? That's nice. Right behind us. That's cute. That's great.
Or third. That's okay with me. You guys
With that hair, I would, yeah,
Your
absolutely.
kids have pretty hair.
Come on.
Look at that,
That's
dude.
awesome.
Yeah.
That's so
You guys, this was a real treat. I'm so glad we did this.
Honestly,
Oh,
this
this
is
is-
a dream come true.
It's so fun.
It is.
Except for me singing part. That part wasn't in the dream.
Shay can sing really good, people.
Yeah.
I could try to
He
sing
carries the tune very well. I've
in a
heard
bucket
him.
with my wife on my shoulder singing. She carries the bucket. That's on my shoulder.
That's where it goes.
That's how I do.
Yes, well, give me a hug.
Thank you.
Can I just go in this house to get work? I'm so happy right now. I can't stop smiling.
Yay!
Yeah, me and Jenny. Do it.
Awesome. So awesome. Look at this. This is what the kids want. Oh yeah. They want all the candy. I think I'm gonna get an apple though. That's what I'm feeling. Are you enjoying that apple? Is that yummy? It's so good, huh? Oh, you want some of this? Here, hot chocolate. It's now warm chocolate for you. Is that yummy? Yeah. Is that good? I love how she just takes the little bites of the apple. It's snowing! From the snowmaker. Look at this. Tell us what's happening, James.
It's snowing!
Look at that. Look at that fake snow. But it's so magical. It's so magical. Look at that. Do you love the snow? Was that yummy? Is that super good? That's yummy. And you're freezing up there.
The band.
Baby.
Oh, okay.
And Ellie's just loving. These are freeze-dried grapes. They're so yummy, but they're weird. They're like crunchy. So Michael,
What?
I was walking in the snow, like pretending like, oh, this is so wonderful and it's snowing and whatnot. And then I accidentally breathed some in up my nose and it was not pleasant. Because it's not real.
It's not real snow?
No,
It
it's-
melts though.
Does it?
Huh? They landed on me and it melted.
Well, I'll tell you what, it melted up my nose. This is so cool.
He's calling for you. He said YouTubers.
Oh.
More trains that other house. At what house?
Oh, there are more trains, but we're not going to go there right now. Look at that. Look at all these people. So cool. I was thinking about going up to random people and saying, can I have your picture? A picture with you?
My face is frozen this way. I don't really sound like this.
Dude, I'm getting a cold sore again.
Oh, man.
Cut that part out.
I'm going to leave it in. Because I have to leave it in when I have a cold sore.
Trying to stay warm.
Oh, I have to go say goodbye to your wife. Where is she?
Just pulled up right there. Did you see her?
Yeah.
She just pulled up. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Say bye.
Okay.
Cutting the leg.
Okay, so they're doing one more, I think they're doing one more shot, but Michael completely lost his voice. Poor thing. And then all the kids are cold and ready for bed. So I think that we are headed to go and probably go home. Probably get some food and go home. There are so many cool people here. Look at this. Jared from Jared.
Hey,
Ellie.
how are you guys? It was fun today, wasn't it?
That was so
It was awesome. It was so
It was
cool.
seriously like a dream come true. Like I have dreams where I'm like, hey, I just opened my front door and hey, there's all of the people
There's
I watch on YouTube.
everyone right there. And it came true.
I know.
That's so cool. Your reaction was seriously like so sweet and so.
Oh my
I just like what because like part of me was like, does she know we're coming or is it a complete surprise? Because it was that good. It was just
Oh,
like
really?
like it was.
I can
so
tell you, I
good.
had no idea. The only thing that leaked a little bit was that my son saw Shay.
Oh
And
really?
it's like, Shaycarl's outside. And I'm like, no.
Okay, sure.
I was like, no. But I was like, I hope so.
That'd be awesome.
I want to believe you right now. That was so cool.
Yeah, that's so cool. It was good seeing you guys.
Yeah, it's good seeing you too. Stuart Edge is around here somewhere, and Peter Hollins. Yes, but I want to say goodbye because we're headed out.
Oh,
and so
good. Good to see
wanted to
you.
say goodbye.
Bye. Good to see
It was
you.
so awesome. It was so cool. It was so cool. I open up the door, and there stands Shaycarl and Peter Hollins and Stuart Edge and Studio C, Alex Boyer, and all of these other famous YouTubers, and they were caroling to me and the family. It was like a dream. I was laughing and crying and shaking and just like in complete shock. You know what? You guys did such a good job tonight that you get a treat from the treat box. Okay, yeah, that's a good one. I don't know what happened, but Charlie must have put on like 10 pounds in the last week because my arms are killing me right now. They are so tired. Even lifting up this camera, I'm like, ouch. He's getting big. He's getting big. He's a big, big baby boy. And they're getting into trouble over there. Michael lost his voice. When he speaks, it's like not like him, that's for sure. He makes gargly sounds and scratchy. He's like a monster.
Look at this sweet treat that my wife made me. You guys probably can't hear me because I've officially lost my voice. This is me trying to talk right now. It's really bad. So I'm not going to say very much except that tonight was amazing. Did you have fun? Yeah, it was awesome.
I still cannot believe that happened. Every time I think about it, I like forget about it and then I start thinking about it again and I'm like, I can't believe that happened to us. That was so cool. This man is not feeling good. And he got up at 5 a.m. and he's going to bed like at midnight. Oh my goodness. I love you. We had no idea what was going to happen tonight. We actually were told by a news station that we were going to go and be interviewed about our YouTube channels. And so we were going to be interviewed about our YouTube channels, and instead they completely surprised us. I had no idea at all. I had no idea what was about to happen. We were caroled to by like all the famous YouTubers in the world. Okay, not all the ones in the world, but there was a lot of really famous YouTubers that surprised us so bad. So good. Got us so good. I'm really tired. They surprised us so much by coming and caroling to our home. It was somebody else's house, but they made it look like it was our house. They came and caroled and I had no idea, and Michael had no idea. Can I just say that was literally a dream come true. That was so cool. And now I'm gonna wake up from that dream that I just had. That was an awesome dream. We will see you guys tomorrow as always. Pause the game.
Thanks you guys for watching today's video. We're actually in the news. I'm going to put a link in the description below for the link to go check out the news story that we were in. We'll see you tomorrow.